Alright, you're drafting first.
Game name. What's a good game that comes out this year?
No, I ain't telling you that. This is.
Yeah, is there a game list that you're looking at?
No, it says game name, and that's it.
Oh, you probably have to type in.
I thought the dude had a game master somewhere.
That I'm not sure. Alright. Okay.
Oh.
Noted.
Ooh.
Oh fuck! I don't know any more games.
A game that's coming out. Is it my turn?
Let's see. It should be. Yeah, whoever's next. Next to draft is Fuckboy.
Oh
Yep.
yeah!
You gotta refresh. I'm pretty sure.
I just remembered. I just remembered a game.
I guess you could technically.
All right. This one's probably gonna bite me in the ass, but we'll see.
Oh, are you drafting Fallout 76?
Hell no.
Oh, he picked a Crackdown.
Oh, he got the crackdown! Oh shit.
Like I said, this will probably bite me in the ass, but here's hoping.
Can I pick Roblox?
Alright, Big Fink.
I got a game. I have picked, my boys.
You
Oh,
motherfucker.
you cunt.
You
Hey,
know,
that's my game. How dare that game's gonna
Alright.
be trash.
you know it was gonna be a good one.
Yeah, it
game's gonna
was.
be
That's an easy
trash.
fucking. Alright.
Oh, FromSoft never makes bad games.
Okay.
Was that your?
Alright.
Would that have been your first pick too?
No, wouldn't have been my first pick. It would have been. I fixed it for you. There you go. It would have been my first pick. So select draft game under player actions.
I was under the impression that we were gonna have a bigger list, but I guess.
All right, I'm doing it.
What'd you pick?
Oh, what game?
All right, your turn.
Oh.
Oh.
On Gen 8.
That's riskier than I would. I don't know.
I think Pokemon games, for the most part, always review pretty well.
Yeah.
7.8 too much for water.
Alright, Phoenix, it's your pick.
Maybe to lose it all.
Where do I type things?
On the left, after you refresh the page on the left, there'll be a draft game button.
Oh, I have to refresh.
No, you don't have to. It sometimes updates.
It probably like reloads itself.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, it reloaded for me. Like I said, I'm sure that we're coming across some bugs and stuff like that, but this is a very new site. What you got? What you got for us, Phoenix?
The Sinking City.
I
Oh.
didn't know he was gonna choose that.
Really interesting. I saw that. That's one I don't know a lot about.
It's some Cthulhu theory shit.
Oh, I didn't know anything about that. That's a good pick. I remember that when we got
Pretty much
downfall.
the only game I'm looking forward to.
Well, it's all
Does
about.
Phoenix
it's all
get to
about critical
pick two now?
reception. Yeah, Phoenix gets to pick again. Take draft.
I
Phoenix.
knew I recognized this music. Oh, I'm picking again? Oh,
Yeah, because it goes in reverse order, I believe. Or wait, never mind. Oh yeah.
Oh shit. Oh no, I just picked for him. Whoops.
Well, you
Oof.
could always redo the draft,
Hey,
unless Phoenix is okay with that one.
I wanted that one. God damn it.
That's a solid pick too, though.
Fucking damn it.
we're early on. We can just redo what we've already done.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was my bad. I thought after it's Snake, so you go twice and then I go after you. So okay, we can reset this. 1 second.
Can you reset my life as well?
Please.
Pause draft. Okay. Undo last drafted game.
Look at the projected points of that.
There you go. You're good. Now we're set.
Oh, did you erase it?
Yes, I actually can just fix that. Huh, fun fact.
Cool.
Alright, there you go.
Alright, thanks.
Kimochi na iritai.
Okay. Yeah, I had to think of a game that comes out.
鼻血が出るほどいいマンコは気持ちいい。
That's
ぬる
that's
ぬ
the
るし
hard
ていい。
part.
We'll look up some stuff. See if
Yeah,
we-
what I did is I went to a couple sites and just pulled up 2019 release lists and went through and picked
Yeah,
what I
I'm gonna
thought was
have
big.
to, 'cause I don't know like games. Oh, I know what I want.
No, you don't know what you want, bitch.
Oh, I know what I want.
No, don't you dare.
Oh, he knows.
Oh, he knows.
You better not take what I think you take.
Ooh,
Ooh,
interesting.
Son of a
Ooh.
bitch.
All right, it is
Ooh.
my turn to draft for real this time.
I'm gonna slap you in the dick with a brick.
Well, I guess you guys know what I'm getting. So.
Is
Yeah?
it Kingdom Hearts 3?
You know you.
Yeah, no, I'm doing Ori.
All right, I'm doing what I think is a safe pick.
Is it Kingdom Hearts 3?
You already got Kingdom Hearts 3. Fuck off.
I had to rub it in a little bit. Resident Evil 2, you pussy.
Safe pick.
Yeah, that's
Safe
one.
pick.
No, that game's getting good. That's getting good reviews.
Safe
No
pick.
shit. If they remastered Resident Evil 4, that'd get great.
Oh, it's my
reviews.
turn?
That was the last
Yeah, it's
good
your turn.
Resident Evil game, in my opinion. Well, there's Resident Evil 7, but.
So Vineyard, it's your pick.
鼻血が出るほどいい。マンコは気持ちいい。ぬるぬるしていい。プルンプルンもしもしセックス、please。僕はセックス大好き。チンコかカカイン。
You
Okay.
motherfucker! God damn it!
I know exactly what I want, baby. I'm
That
taking
was
chances.
legit. Probably not my next pick, but the one after that. That was very highly up.
I'm
Blah.
taking chances out here. I know this ain't coming out this year, but if it do, you know it's getting them scores,
He's
my
about to
boy.
He's Death Stranding. That's his pick.
Oh
You
god.
know I'm getting them scores, my boy. Wait.
Ooh.
Oh, oh.
Ooh, that is a good
Mm.
pick. If it comes
Yeah,
out,
you know, I overlooked that one. That one could come out this
Yeah.
year. I don't know if it is, but
I would bet that it probably doesn't. But if it does, you're right. You're getting those
yeah,
points.
yeah, you're getting those points.
I'm getting them fat points, boy.
Oh,
Take
you,
a risk out here.
You got
yeah, you go again.
Oh, yeah. Hanaji ga deru hodo
Oof.
ii.
Tough being in the middle, Tony.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Nuru-nuru shite ii.
I'm getting like the middle of the line picks the whole way.
That's why, like, I'm trying to go for the, not like the main ones. Like, I'm trying to get stuff on the outskirts. Like, I don't think anybody was thinking about Ori for the most part.
I'm thinking
Alright.
I was.
Oh, that's what you
thinking
gotta
about-
go for. You gotta go for the small ones sometimes.
I'm thinking about doing. Gotta have at least one risky pick, or do I want to save the pick? You know what I mean?
出るほどいい。マンコは気持ちいい。ぬるぬるしていい。
Dead or, dead or alive, okay.
Boy,
Alright, it's my
God damn
turn.
it.
I don't know if that one's gonna.
Watch this motherfucker go for my strat that I had.
What are you talking about, you strat?
No, I had a game plan going into this. Let's see.
Alright, I guess I'll pick that one next time around.
鼻血が出るほどいい。マンコは気持ちいい。ぬるぬるしていい。プルンプルンもしもしセックス、please。僕はセックス大好き。
All right, I'm about to pick. If I depends on what Vineyard. I might.
Look, someone pick Anthem so I can tell y'all that game's gonna fucking
Someone,
flop.
yeah,
Let's
someone pick
go.
Anthem, damn it.
Someone
Why
pick
don't I
Anthem
see this
so I can
game on
say
there?
It's gonna flop
What are
right
the
now.
what are the odds that all of us to pick something on Kelvin's list?
Oh god.
Like
Kelvin's
dead or
a
alive?
wild card right now.
Well, I guess I have to
If
pick
there's
this
a
because
certain
the
game
other
that's
one.
on there, I believe you can add it in.
Yeah,
Well,
if there's a game that's on the list, as long as it ends up having an open critic score. If it doesn't, it'll just not count. Problem.
And it's like, there's like a list of 10 games coming out in 2019. And at least that Google is providing me with, cunts.
Places to look, and you can also pick games that like you're not sure if are actually gonna be released in 2018 or not, and then there's pickup games over the course of the.
Oh, interesting pick.
I have not even heard of this game.
Yeah, I know what
Um,
that is.
it's weird and I
Well,
think it has a chance.
I get that one and then the RTS one mixed up, the turn-based one. Is that the one where you can rate your own creature?
This looks like you play as a cat.
I don't think
Yes,
this
that's the one
this
where you create your own creature.
Yeah.
That one's interesting.
yeah, the action
Very
RPG.
interesting pick.
Oh! I know what I need to I know what I need to put on my
It's
list.
open to a lot of
Fuck y'all.
Alright,
If
Alright,
any of
so-
you choose this, I'm smashing your heads in.
alright.
what?
Risky pick time. You ready?
I ain't
Oh, God.
saying nothing.
What you got for me? Oh shit!
We don't know.
Interesting. I don't think it's that
Get-
risky. It's a PS4 exclusive, so.
Get that
I
get
just-
that shit out of here.
I was hyped for is the thing. But
Get-
his exclusive is based on that very look.
Get that gay shit out of here. Bring that real Chad shit in.
I'm surprised this one hasn't.
Don't you dare take what I'm thinking about.
I'm surprised this one has not been grabbed yet.
I'll
So
Oh, I know what
smack
he's
you
gonna
with
pick.
the gabba.
I'm about to grab it. So.
Is it Death Stranding?
No, I know what he's gonna pick. I knew it!
Yeah.
I fucking knew it! I fucking knew it!
I know exactly what I'm voting for. That's gonna flop hard.
What?
Get
Oh!
outta here.
Making
Get
them
outta
big
here.
calls.
That was probably my next.
Microtransactions. Get out of here.
Ooh.
Ooh, I gotta pick. I gotta pick, boys.
This
No,
is-
don't you. I swear to God, if it's what I'm thinking of, this
I gotta pick fully.
boy.
I got 2 picks.
Hey,
See, the longer this goes, the more like the harder these picks get, because then we gotta start scraping the bottom of the barrel.
I'll show you bottom of the barrel. You already scraped it with DMC5.
The Outer World. Ooh, is that a 20? Ooh, okay.
That is I think that is a 2019 release.
That's an interesting one.
I think it's going to be fucking good.
it's supposed
You're
to
going
say it was gonna
against
be middle of the year.
Wreck nerds.
Damn,
Yeah.
very
That's a
interesting
solid
pick.
Felix.
The Outer Worlds is probably gonna do good because everyone sucks at Cities. Dick. What you
Do I go for something?
What's another game that looks good?
Pokemon.
Sorry,
I think somebody already has that.
Mm,
No, you see, I didn't say what Pokemon game.
I guess I'll pick this. This is apparently a game that's gonna exist.
Don't look. If you break my heart, I'll surely die. The ink spot said
Oh, go! Damn,
Solid
good pick.
pick, boys.
Fire Emblem, Three Houses. That game's gonna flop like Awakening did. I mean, not Awakening, Fates.
This is all about critical reception, so I know what
Yes.
my next pick will be.
No. You
I
don't
know
know
what
what
my
your
next
next
pick is
pick.
gonna be.
You don't know what your next pick is gonna be.
Alright, let's go ahead and throw this on here.
Don't pick what I'm thinking.
Damien.
Okay, that is
Damien,
not what I
I
was
swear to
thinking.
God. Okay. Okay. We're safe. We're safe. You and me, we're still.
I got so many. I got so many fucking numbers on my.
All right, here we go. Making a pick, boys.
Tony,
Bam.
if you pick what I. Okay.
Ooh.
We're good. We're fine. I'm not going to.
I don't know if that
bash your
game is
skull
coming
in.
out this year for sure, but hey,
I believe it
Yeah,
is. I
probably
think it's confirmed.
I'm not gonna bash your skull in with a bone pipe.
are we doing all these?
Vineyard.
My
Vineyard
turn.
has me interested right now. Okay. Got some,
He's
you
bringing
got
his A
s-
game.
Yeah, you got some interesting picks, my dude.
Where's the,
Still mad about Yoshi though. I thought that was a slick little pick I had. I was like, yeah, nobody's gonna care about Yoshi.
Yoshi's like a guaranteed.
Yeah, that's gonna get fucking pretty
They
high
need to-
scores.
They need to remake my boy, my boy Yoshi World 64, or whatever the fuck it's called.
There's 2 games that I'm still surprised that people.
Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah,
go for the other one that I wanted.
I see. I haven't heard of this one either.
Left Alive?
All right, here we go.
Yeah.
It was
Oh, that one.
right here.
I don't.
Who the fuck messaged me?
I did. I'm telling you that your picks are trash. Yosh.
I think,
Dip.
oh, what the fuck?
Oh, Travis Strikes Again. Yep.
Okay, now I need to go over a couple pages because
Damn it, Travis.
there's some serious shit on these next two pages
Ooh.
or this next page. And by serious shit, I mean
Question is who's
Wait.
gonna pick the riskiest pick out of all of the picks? Who's picking Dream? You know.
Dream doesn't exist.
You
We'll
know
talk
that
about
game
Dream.
is the riskiest pick.
Dude, that doesn't even have a release date. Jesus.
It's got a bait.
It's got a
what
beta,
was-
true.
You know what else has a beta? Fallout 76. The entire game's a beta.
There's a few. Look, there's a few picks left.
I think I know what I'm doing next.
I know what I'm
I'll
doing
do it.
next if it picked in the next two picks.
Searching game. Search game, please. Okay, or don't. I'm up.
Pick Anthem.
Fuck you. No. The fuck is wrong with you?
Dude, pick Anthem.
You pick Anthem.
No, dude.
Look, Anthem is your baby. I hear it. It's like Tony.
Yeah, I'm glad we get to
Tony,
pick more
please.
games later, because the games that are out right now are so fucking underwhelming.
Yeah, you can. I don't know how many
I-
games we
I
got.
can't. I
How many
can't
is that
search.
in it?
I can't search a game. Do
No
simple.
one that you can.
I actually I typed in what I wanted and I can't search it. The fuck is this? What the fuck is this actually? Oh wait, hold on. Let me refresh. Maybe that'll help. All right, let's try again.
Are you
Yes.
trying to search through the website, or are you trying to search?
Oh,
through?
there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. There
Ah,
we
there you
Yep.
go. That was one of the ones that I.
That was
that
on
I
my
wondering-
list, yeah.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Start deleting shit that's already taken.
Just
Just a whole
Yep.
lot.
I hope Team Sonic Racing's on your list, because that
is-
game's gonna be the shit.
is not actually. I still
There's
got
a
a
lot
couple.
of games that we picked for this year already.
Yeah.
Looking at the list.
I still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in my bank. So
God damn.
That's
Yeah, mo-
that's how I feel about the bullets in my gun.
Jesus Christ.
That's a game.
I'll tell you what's a game. Weeb Souls.
Well-
Oh!
That's a risky pick, and I know the one you're thinking of.
Yep, and that is on my
That is
list,
a-
but it is one of the final ones.
That is a risky pick, boy.
Oh, I forgot a game. What have I done? I left it wide open. No,
all right. Picks have been made.
it's time for Japan because I'm about. It's time to become Japanese because
I
I'm
hope
about to commit seppuku after what
I
I've
hope they
done.
fucking delete it again. I hope they fucking delay it
Ready, boys.
again.
Delay what? 18 months?
You motherfucker!
I'm picking it.
Ooh.
That's a
God
good
damn
one.
it.
Tony. We're
You're
not
pick-
friends
Mark,
anymore.
mark that off my fucking list
And
here.
anytime we play Dead
This
by
is
Daylight
solid.
and I'm the killer, I'm going to let everyone else go, but I'm going to kill you. And only you.
Dude, this is a good list I can go in. This is a good list.
I'm pretty happy with my list.
I hope you
Yeah, your
enjoyed
list is
your
pretty
time.
good too.
I hope you enjoyed your time living in Dead by Daylight. Because I'm gonna kill you.
Alright.
How dare you?
There's another game on here that I'm surprised people haven't picked, but
Me too. It's gonna be
go
my next
safe
pick.
bet here.
Oh
Safe
yeah,
bet.
what's that safe bet?
I
No, you better not. No, not the other game that I'm thinking about. Please. No.
that's a safe bet. That's a solid bet.
Okay.
Oh.
It's gonna review well.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay. You didn't take what I thought you were gonna take. That's good.
Nintendo, carry me away.
Oh man, Psychonauts? I remember that game. It's trash. Who would ever play that game?
There's some games that I really want to pick, but I'm just not sure if they're coming out this year. To be honest with you, I want them to come out this year, but we'll see.
This is gonna be a dope ass game.
All right,
Yeah,
I
more
got
soapy sauce
I got a
than soapy
guaranteed
together.
next one.
You don't think anybody else is gonna pick what you're thinking of?
Nope, because none of y'all saw the meme I saw the other day.
See, Vineyard. The thing is you can make a meme list like Vineyard, and if the game reviews well, you still are in the. You're in the.
It's
running.
not it's not a meme game. I thought of it
You
because of a
you got a
meme.
meme list. It's just like this crazy obscure indie stuff. It's really cool.
It's
I
the
just like that.
Your list is probably the like I'm most interested to see how it pans out because
Exactly.
you could have a lot of big hits on your
Like
hand there.
your list is one of the ones where like if all the games that you pick that I don't know about do well, it's gonna draw me to check out. That's what your list is, will actively.
Oh, so you're saying if my list does well, you're not gonna be checking mine out?
I mean,
Asshole.
Kingdom Hearts 3 is gonna do well. Cyberpunk's gonna do well.
You're wrong.
Travis and
You're
Mordor do
wrong.
well.
You're
And
wrong.
I'm not playing
You're
Dead or
wrong.
Alive.
You're wrong. Why aren't you playing Dead or Alive? What is wrong with you?
You Rush 2. That one was also on my list. Go
Yep.
ahead and delete that one.
Wait, hold on. Why
It's a
would you
solid
pick
pick.
Rage 2? It's being published by Bethesda.
Because
I
I'm
don't know.
running out of choices over here.
Rage 2 is a good pick. It's gonna do well. I guarantee you that.
It's going to be garbage. It's
You're wrong.
Bethesda.
I'm going off of
Bethesda
the
is publishing this.
the
It's garbage.
team that is working on it took a movie property and made what was apparently a solid game. So it's like
They're the Mad Max team, right?
yes, they're the Mad Max team. So it's like I think Rage 2 is a solid pick. I think
Yeah,
that'll
it's
play
a-
very well.
You know
it's
what's a
very
solid?
safe pick.
You want to know what's a solid pick?
Oh,
Anthem.
Oh, dude.
interesting. Good
Felix,
pick.
talking about running out of games, but just dropping bombs over.
All right,
I'm only gonna pick games
This
that I
weeaboo.
actually think have potential.
all right. Here
I
is
can
going to
try
be
it.
This weeaboo scum.
here is going to be my risky pick right
Okay.
here.
Really risky pick.
risky pick, risky pick.
I'm gonna make one pick here.
There
That
you go. You
I'm
got
not
the
certain if the game's gonna come out. We'll see. We'll see what Damien pick.
I
My-
swear to God, Damien, this could make or break our. Okay, you're good. You're
All
good.
right.
You're good. You're good.
I don't know. I don't know. Games
That's
coming out this year.
Castlevania game. That's fine. I don't care. I love Castlevania, but
Oh wait, is it not even on the list? How is this game not on the list?
you're not on the list.
It's not. Is it? Okay.
Oh
Yay.
my God.
Okay.
I don't know about. I gotta.
Don't-
I gotta do a little bit more looking.
One,
You
You
two,
really
three,
will be
four,
scraping the
five,
bottom of the
six.
barrel here in a minute.
Yeah, well, these last like couple rounds are gonna be.
Are you sure you don't want to pick Metroid Prime 4 as a potential goodie?
Okay.
Yo,
I'm-
I don't
I'm
fucking.
making-
I
I'm
don't
gonna
trust
make a
that
s-
game.
I'm gonna make a safer pick.
I swear to God, Tony.
I'm gonna make a
Uh-oh.
safe pick.
Tony. I'm telling you. I will break out the memes that I've seen in Dead by Daylight the next time. Okay, you're good.
Okay, there goes
fine.
that. See, I was wondering why nobody had picked that for a while now.
I was debating on that in Mortal Kombat 11 actually.
All right, my turn. All right, time to go for the one that I know nobody's gonna pick.
I have no
No.
idea what Metro is.
Wait, is it Anthem?
Metro is like a
Metro's-
survival horror.
Yeah, that's gonna probably review well.
I think this is gonna be the best reviewed Metro game out of the three. To be honest.
I beg to differ. think
I only
it's
wanted to
gonna be
pick
trash.
games that I at least knew what they fucking were.
Oh sure. I do know what Metro is. I have the first.
With Dane, that's a Kickstarter
game.
game, but they released a. Like,
Eat it,
smaller
boys.
It's like some Castlevania shit.
They released a smaller game that reviewed very
Minecraft
well.
Dungeons.
I see.
It's
Oh,
20.
Minecraft
It's
Dungeons.
motherfucking 2019, boys. I'm gonna win.
Oh shit.
Oh god.
Did
Like
you
I said,
really
you haven't seen the memes I've seen. It's 2019, boys. It's been
Oh.
10 years since Minecraft came out.
Go ahead. and look at the graphics that you're gonna
2019.
draft there, Kelvin.
Robin
What am I gonna draft?
Y'all knew that.
Well, I don't want to say it out loud.
What
No,
am I gonna draft?
I messaged somebody saying what I think you're gonna pick. We'll see
What,
if I'm right.
what
or
am I
not.
gonna fucking
I'm not gonna
draft?
say it because then if
What-
you don't
what am I
if
gonna
you don't
fucking
pick it
draft?
if you don't pick it then I'm going to pick it.
Okay.
What am I gonna fucking draft?
No.
nerd? What am
I'm
I
not
gonna
telling you.
draft, nerd?
We about to find out.
We
What
about
am
to
I
find
gonna
out.
draft,
That's
nerd?
Yep, there it is.
There it is. Yeah. Yeah, I knew that was coming.
Oh. I
Who's-
DM
who's-
Tony. I was like, he wants that
gonna
code
be-
vein.
Who's
I get
gonna be
it.
the real man and draft
Bloodstained
Jedi Fallen
Ritual of the
Order?
Night. What is?
Wait,
What is
why
that?
does
That
Phoenix
is-
get to go again?
Wait, what?
Why does Phoenix get to go again?
Oh, this is
that's,
test counter picks. That's it.
yeah,
We're done.
That's it. We do one counter pick and then you
Oh,
have the
thank
pickup.
God, 'cause I was running out of.
Oh damn!
Wait,
fuck.
I had two
Phoenix,
more.
What was your question?
What was your last pick? Bloodstained Ritual of the Night. What is that?
It's some Castlevania shit. You think?
Yeah, it's made by the original Castlevania Symphony of the Night creator. He kickstarted the game.
It's gonna be good.
They released a side game to tide people over, and it reviewed extremely well. So that's my.
That's because Symphony of the Night is a fucking shit.
So I'll do that on there.
It's better than Lament of Innocence, and that's like one of my favorite Castlevania.
Some solid list.
Mm-hmm.
Don't you say solid list about my list? I have like 3 games that aren't coming out at all. And by 3, I mean 2: Cyberpunk and Kingdom Hearts.
Oh, that hurt a little bit, to be honest. To just be completely frank.
Oh,
It's been so long.
So your counter pick, this pick you're doing is a game that you think is going to do poorly. Out of one of our lists.
right. Oh, I'm doing it now.
Yes.
That's your pick, yeah.
Where do I do that?
I don't know. Does it say draft game?
So
Or
it's
can you-
time to draft counter picks. Next to draft Riot game, but there's no.
Can you click on someone else's game?
Refresh it.
Maybe. Let me try that. Which one of these games is gonna be trash?
Pray.
I've got a couple in here.
Oh, no.
Devil
that's not
May
how-
Cry
That's not how it works.
Try and
Is there some sort of
maybe you have to start.
initiation button.
Try and refresh. I don't know. Maybe if you pause and unpause the draft game.
Yeah, let me try.
You know what I just realized? We're listening to a fucking anime right now.
Alright, I unpaused it.
I still don't see anything.
Share your screen real quick.
Yeah, and now I get the inside scoop on his picks.
Where was your sidebar?